Okay. All right. Let's continue from where we stop. We actually stop at the match object, which is a span, string, and group functionality. So we are going to quickly look at how to make use of this string functionality, such as so. First, we are going to use regular expression to look for any word that starts with an uppercase S. So in that case, we're going to say import regex expression, then text equals the rain, the rain in Spain. Okay, then we say x equals read.search search r, and we have our slash b to escape special characters, and slash w plus. Then we are going to put our text here. After that, we put print, and we have x dot span. Now we actually want to look at the details in full, while we have w slash w there and slash capital S. Now, when you have slash small letter x, it says return a match where the string contain a white space character. Those are the things we've done earlier. Then slash capital S return a match where string does not contain a white space character. And when you have slash b, now we have slash b starting the statement. It says return a match where the specified character are at the beginning or at the end of a word. So when you put R at the beginning, it's used to escape is used to treat the stuff as a raw string. So then we have W plus, that is slash W. So slash W return match where the string does not contain any word character. So then when we have the plus, insert plus has no special meaning. So plus means return a match for any plus character in the string. So that is the function of uh each of these variables, or let me say each of these string that we've written here, slash b, capital X, slash w plus. So when we save this as tutu, then we save it as Python regex continue. Then we can now run the value. When we run it, we have 12 and 2. So that is our output for this value. So also, remember this is only making a search and then telling us the span. So it is 12 and 17. Then when we try with the other one, which is string, I'll only copy this place and give it string. So I won't waste my time. String. Then the last one, then we have group. So we want it to give us three different output group. So it's going to, let me remind you again what the span, string, and the group does. For span, the span will return a tuple containing the start and end position of the match. That is why we have 12 and 17 the other time, where it started from and where it ends. Excuse me. Then for the string, from the string, for the string we have, it return the string passed into the function. So it has to return the string that is being passed into the function. And for the group, it return the part of the string where there was a match. So let's look at each of them and see the output. Okay, for string, yes, string. I didn't make any. Okay, I put the function keys. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't have put this. All right, so let's rerun and see our output. So you can see that for the string, it return the string that is being passed into the function. For the span, it only tell us this, the where it starts from and where it ends. And for the group, it only tell us where that is. It says return the part of the string where there was a match. So where we have match S, the capital S is the Spain, and that is why it has A. So well, that's why it has Spain. So that is that under the group. So and that is where we're going to stop.